Flat out, it is a plague on the city. 1 out of 5 properties in Detroit blighted. That's more than 80,000 structures and vacant lots. Too often, the eyesores attract crime and erode neighborhoods.
But for the first time, there is a bold plan in place to rid the Motor City of blight. Action News reporter Ronnie Dahl has more on how the legal system is playing an important role.
When Mayor Duggan took office, he put irresponsible property owners on notice. Fix it up or risk losing it. And through the Detroit Land Bank Authority, the mayor is following through, and the courtroom is the front line in the fight. Street after street, block after block sends evidence of the Motor City's blight epidemic, and Detroit residents are caught in the middle. What's it like to have to live next to a vacant house?
I don't like it. I really don't like it. It takes away from the neighborhood.
No neighborhood is immune, including the Atkinson Avenue Historic District, where scrappers have raped the once grand homes.
They go in there and they take everything. They take the radiators, they take the furnace, they take the water heater. They even attempt to get the windows out.
Mike Duggan versus 1117.
The greatest weapon in Detroit's blight fight is being played out in Third Circuit Court. Once a week,
Jelani Karamoko on behalf of the Detroit Land Bank.
Attorneys for Detroit's Land Bank Authority stand before Chief Judge Robert Klumbo Jr. to address vacant and blighted properties ignored by their owners.
These were cases where the owner refused to come forward or answer our complaint, and so we sought a default judgment from the court today. We have filed over 1,300 lawsuits in the past 6 months.
One
Mike Duggan v.
after another.
So Mike Duggan v.
After another.
This is Mike Duggan v. 52.
Judge Colombo grants default judgment, which means the titles will be turned over to the Detroit Land Bank Authority for possible sale. Cheryl Johnson appreciates the effort, but believes the 2 houses next door to her home may be too far gone.
I would love to see somebody buy the house, fix it up, but it's at a point right now where I'm very skeptical that that might happen.
Once the court process is complete and the ownership transferred, the Detroit Land Bank Authority will inspect the property to determine, can it be salvaged and sold, or does it need to be torn down? In Detroit, Ronnie Dahl, 7 Action News.